When an officer in Marion County, Florida attempts to stop a vehicle suspected in a drug deal, the driver makes the worst decision of his fatherhood that would also lead to an officer's worst nightmare.
Safety for the They're ramming my patrol car. Start me a car. Fairway Circle and Silver Pass. I got someone ramming my patrol car. Get out the car! Give me your, show me your hands! Show me your hands!
The closest backup able to respond are on another call deep in the woods. They begin making their way back to their squads to help the lone officer as quick as they can, but it won't be quick enough.
Get out the car! Show me your hands! Get out the car! Show me your hands right now! Sheriff's office! Get out the car! Get out the car!
Turn around.
Get out the car! Stop or I will shoot you! Get out the car! Get out the car! .6403 man, they just tried to ram me. He just went through a fence. He's headed out the Silver Road. Silver four-door made a left on Silver Road.
Silver four-door left on Silver Road.
Clear this intersection?
Silver Road currently. He's going on Silver Road.
Go. Go. Just go straight.
We're going eastbound on Silver Road currently. I do believe he was trying to run me over at one point, Marion. Made a right on the Emerald Road. We're going northbound towards Marycamp. We got 70 miles an hour, about to come out of Marycamp.
All right, go. Go all the way down to Oak Road, and we'll cut over.
70 miles an hour, approaching Marycamp.
He's driving pretty carelessly. We advise that they want me to continue.
You're pretty crazy.
You trying to run him over? 26, I do believe he's trying to run me over. We just made a left on 79th Avenue Road.
Left on 79th Avenue Road.
Pit.
Vehicle pit.
Call him! Get on the ground or I'm going to chase you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Black male, white beanie hat, gray shorts, black shirt, camo pants. Black shirt,
Take a right.
Camo pants. Get on the ground! There's a canine over there waiting on you! Taser! Get on your face! Get down! Put your f***ing hands on your back. I got it. No. I got it. Put your hands behind your back. Try to run me over again. We don't do that in Marion County. I never seen someone act like you.
Slow down. He's going to be on the left. The next one right here. This one right here.
She's running me over. Ridiculous.
While the suspect may be in custody, officers arriving on scene are about to find an unexpected surprise in the suspect's vehicle.
$60 I got a signal 44 in the car. Hey baby, are you okay? Come here, sweetheart. You're okay. You okay, baby? You're okay.
Do you need medics?
We need medics.
Start them this way. It's about a 4-month-old.
Get in that car. You ain't getting nothing.
No, I was asking.
You ain't getting nothing. Get in the car. I didn't double lock those. I need to catch my breath.
Yeah. You okay, baby?
That was ridiculous. Yeah. He pushed the car into me almost. Is that baby okay?
Yeah.
Was that in the car?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my God.
You okay, sweetheart?
I don't see any damage on my car, which is shocking. I went through a fence, over a street sign. Back where I initially did the 1050, he rammed another car as well, so we're gonna have vehicle damaged over there.
I don't want to set her down. Like, this is a little baby. It's okay. You're all right.
What's that look like?
Oh yeah, there's a magazine sticking out. Don't touch it. I'm gonna move my car. I thought he was gonna run me over. I had to go hide behind the car and he started pushing that car towards me. Car chase. Everything's all right. Her mom.
Where's the mom at?
She's on the way back. She was coming from work.
All right.
Can I get my niece, please?
Yeah, we're gonna have medics check her out.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. Can I hold her, please?
Yep.
Please.
Here, ma'am, come here real quick. I need to get some information from you.
I'm a minor. I can't answer any questions.
I know. We just need your information. You have the baby, so we have to get your information. Get your.
My baby. What happened? Can somebody tell me what happened?
I tried to stop him and he tried to run me over. And then he ran from me.
So what's the point of you trying to stop him?
We're not worried about that right now. We're about to fight. He ran from me. Okay.
Okay, but I'm trying to see what happened.
Okay.
What's wrong?
All we need you to worry about right now is your baby. Okay.
We're gonna get that baby checked out with an ambulance when they get here. It was just in a
He
wreck.
crashed my car?
Yeah, he was running from us. Yes, correct. We need to make sure that baby's okay. So don't.
Okay, well, please. Can I talk to him? No.
We got a 4-month-old baby that needs taken care of right now.
Okay,
That's
can you
the
call
least.
the ambulance, please?
They're on their way.
Okay.
So just hang tight for me. Does he live here?
No,
Okay.
we don't live here. This is my mom's house.
This is your mom's house.
This is
Okay.
my mom's in the hospital.
Okay.
She had a massive stroke like 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
So that's probably what he tried to do.
Okay.
Was to make it here to give her my daughter.
Okay.
So that's probably what happened.
That's extremely dangerous.
I get
Okay.
that.
So we need to make sure that baby's okay.
SiriusXM.com/Will.
Rusty in the mug.
Sign up online and activate your radio. Sometimes there aren't enough hours.
So how bad is look? Can I go look at my
Look,
car?
the car is the least of the worries right now. All right, we will get all of that in just a minute. We're worried about the little things right now.
Yes, sir. I'm calling my dad because the car is in my dad's name.
Okay, that's like I said. That's
Y'all told my
that's
car.
not. What's that?
Jordan's gonna go to jail. He just crashed my car. Please. I'm at my mama's house. Dad. Just please to try. Please. He's right here. She right here. They're gonna get the ambulance here to check her out. Oh.
Did you see him tossing?
He's got guns and stuff in here. And he was coming out of one of the parks where they often sell drugs.
I said we were hauling ass full speed behind him.
Dad, now what the fuck am I supposed to fucking do? Y'all tore my car. What are y'all doing?
What's that?
Y'all not tore my car, right? Because it's in my dad's name.
We don't have to. Just like I said, that is like you were worried about the car right now, and that's not a big deal right
excuse
now.
me. I'm worried about my child. Who was the one that chased him? Who was the one that caught him when he got here?
All of us. We were all here.
So all of y'all was behind him at that time?
Yes.
Okay, so was it only him in the car?
Yes. It was him and the little girl right now.
And he just left him in the car?
Yes.
Yes.
Did he run? Did y'all get him?
Yes.
They got him. I don't give a damn
So
about that car.
neither do I. So yes.
Cut it out. Cut it out. I'm going through enough. Cut that the fuck out. Cut it out.
There's a large amount of 31 in the trunk.
In the trunk?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What do you think that is? You think that's tea or?
I don't know what it is, but I don't think it's tea.
I'm trying to see if there's anything special in here. It might be actually tea, because there's other snacks and stuff in here too. Drugs and guns, drugs and guns.
Is there any way that we would be able to watch the footage, like the body cam?
That's not
it's
necessary.
Not right. Mom, Jordan going to jail. He just crashed my car. Where the f was he? Was finna go?
I have no idea.
He wasn't finna go nowhere, man. These crackers smarter than him. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look, words don't offend me. They don't.
They smarter than him. Jordan think he's smart and he's not. Look, that's police. They have you.
Suspect 24-year-old Jordan Skeen was transported to Marion County Jail following the incident. He is a convicted felon and was on probation prior to the incident for yet another fleeing and eluding conviction. His probation is reported to have been extended through March 2027. The gun found in the vehicle was a loaded Ruger 380 handgun. Marijuana was also found in the car, along with digital scales and sandwich-style baggies, items commonly associated with drug distribution. For this incident, Jordan was charged with aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, aggravated fleeing and eluding with property damage, child neglect or child endangerment, possession of a firearm and ammunition by a convicted felon, possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, driving with a suspended license, and resisting an officer without violence. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of